Ladies and gentlemen, let's save some time with those healthy and comforting one-pot soups. And by the way, in the description box down below are all the links to all the recipes featured in this video. Different variations of the split pea soup exist worldwide, including here in Germany. The soup is an absolute nutrition powerhouse. The fried onion and bacon add roasting aromas. The peas and vegetables are healthy and filling. Mustard, vinegar and additional spices tie it together to make a delicious bowl of soup. Packed with dietary fiber, protein and many other essential vitamins and minerals, it's a meal that will nourish your body and soul. If you like broth-based soups, German noodle soup is a perfect choice. The roasting aromas of fried beef with tons of healthy veggies create a mouth-watering bowl of comfort. The high water content in the broth-based soups helps you stay hydrated, and noodles and beef will help you feel full for longer. Sojanka is one of the most flavorful soups out there. I love everything tart and rich, so I immediately fell in love with it. Apart from fresh onions and peppers, it consists of meat, spices and condiments. As low-fat protein, I added some pork loin, but that's optional ingredient and for me always varies. The aromas come from paprika powder, salt, pickle brine and pickles, garlic, sausage, mustard and sugar. Potato soup, on the other hand, is a great low-calorie alternative to traditional broth. The most straightforward version contains onion, carrot, celery root, leek and potatoes. Salt, nutmeg and pepper are perfect seasonings for potato soup. For more flavor, vegetarians can add a bit of cream, and if you don't follow any particular diet, bacon and sausage round it all up. Fish soup supports overall health and well-being. I use onions and wine to make the broth for the soup, and I cheated a bit because instead of making fish broth or fish bones, I bought fish fond and I use it as a base. On the vegetable front, there is leek, carrots and German turnips, which I fry in butter on medium heat. For extra richness, I add cream and thicken the soup. Finally, I use fresh cod and salmon, which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and are essential for heart and brain health. What a treat! I hope it was helpful inspiration for cold autumn and winter days. For more recipes, please subscribe to my monthly newsletter. Bye!